Hello students, let's do fractions exercise 3D. This is on page number 56. We are with question 6. So here again we have brackets and there are different types of brackets here. We have the curly bracket, the parenthesis and the bar bracket here. And we also know the order in which brackets have to be removed. So let's revise the order. So removal of brackets, we have the bar bracket above numbers. As we can see the bar bracket here, you have bar bracket above this operation, and according to Bodmer's, the bar bracket has to be removed first. Then we have the parenthesis. As you can see here, these are the parentheses that has to be removed second. And then we have the curly brackets. As you can see, there are curly brackets here. That should come third in the order. And finally, if you have square brackets, you have to remove the square brackets. So this is the order in which you remove the brackets: bar bracket, parenthesis, curly brackets and the square brackets. Now here we have the bar bracket, so we're going to do this operation first. So that is, we're going to do 2 minus 3 first. Everything else will remain as it is. So this is 1 by 5. Now we can convert that. We can convert and write it. So let's multiply. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 is 6. So here I can write 6 by 5 divided by, and we have the curly bracket, and then I can convert this. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 by 3 minus, I can put a parenthesis, 5 plus. Now I need to do 2 minus 3. So let's do that. 2 minus 3. Now this is plus 2 minus 3. As you can see, signs are different. So when signs are different, we put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 5 plus, this is minus 1. So again, we have a bracket there. I have put brackets here for minus 1 only because it's a minus sign, because we already have a plus sign there. Then I have closed the parenthesis and closed the curly brackets. And after that, whatever we have, let's write it down. Let's convert. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 by 2. So now that we have finished with the bar bracket, we have to go on to the next one, which is parenthesis. So we have to open this. So when we open this, we're going to work out what is inside the parenthesis. So we're going to work out this. So let's write everything else as it is. So here we have 6 by 5 divided by, and then we have the curly bracket, 7 by 3 minus. Now we're going to open the parenthesis. So let's write what's within that. So 5 plus minus 1. So 5. Now since we have a plus sign before the bracket, minus 1 will remain the same. So minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So when you open the brackets, the parenthesis, you get 4. So let's write 4 here. And now we have removed the parenthesis. We have to put back the curly bracket. And continue by writing minus 7 by 2. So now we have only the curly brackets left. So we have to remove the curly brackets. So what is inside this has to be done first. So that means we need to work out 7 by 3 minus 4. And 4, let's give it the denominator 1. So the common denominator will be 3 because the other denominator is 1. So the first one, 3 into 1 is 3. So 7 into 1 is 7. So this will be 7 minus 1 into 3 is 3. So 4 into 3 will be 12. So this is 12. So here this is a plus sign and this is a minus sign before 12. So when one sign is plus, one is minus, we put the sign to the bigger number and subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5 and the denominator is 3. So this is minus 5 by 3. So this will be 6 by 5 divided by, now we have opened the curly brackets. Now minus 5 by 3 is the answer that we got, and minus 7 by 2. So here again we have two operations. We have division and subtraction. So we have to do division first. So that means we have to divide these two. So let's do that. So the question is 6 by 5 divided by minus 5 by 3. So this will be 6 by 5. Division changes to multiplication and this becomes 3 by minus 5. Now there's nothing to cancel, so we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So numerator will be 6 3s are 18 Denominator will be minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So let's write that. So this will be 18 by minus 25 minus 7 by 2. So now here, since in the denominator we have a minus sign, we'll move that minus sign to the numerator and remove that from here. So we are removing the minus sign from here and putting it here. It's minus 18 by 25 minus 7 by 2. So now the denominators are different, so we must find the LCM of the denominators 25 and 2. So let's find the LCM of 25 and 2. We can begin with 5. 5 fives are 25 and we bring down 2. Continue with 5 again. 5 ones are 5 and bring down 2. Now we'll continue with 2. We bring down 1 and 2 ones are 2. So what is the LCM? LCM is 5 into 5 into 2. 5 fives are 25, 25 twos are 50. So the LCM is 50 and we're going to use that as the common denominator here. So here we have 50. Now let's go to the first fraction. Denominator is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. So minus 18 into 2. 18 into 2 is 36. So because we have a minus sign, it becomes minus 36. Minus, next one, 2 into 25 is 50. So we multiply 7 into 25. 7 into 25 is 175. So we have 175. Now both the signs are minus. Minus 36 minus 175. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add. So let's add up 175 and 36. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 11 again. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 211. So this is minus 211 by 50. Let's convert 211 by 50 to a mixed number. The minus sign remains. So divide 211 by 50. 50 into 4 is 200 minus 1, 1 and we have 0. So our mixed number here is 411 by 50. And we have a minus sign here. So final answer will be minus 411 by 50. Question 7. Now here we have parenthesis, division and parenthesis again, and according to Bodmer's, brackets have to be done first. So we are going to remove these brackets beginning with the first set of brackets here. So that means we are going to work out what's given here. That is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So here we have to find the LCM of the denominators. If you look at the denominators, they are 2 and 3, both are prime numbers. The LCM of prime numbers is the product of those two numbers. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Product of 2 and 3. That means multiply 2 by 3, 6. So the LCM is 6. Now, the first denominator is 2. 2 3s are 6. So 1 into 3 is 3. That's the first numerator here. Plus, let's go to the second denominator. 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 2s are 4. So here we have 3 plus 4, that is 7, 7 by 6. So we have removed the first set of brackets and we've got 7 by 6 divided by, now let's remove the next set of brackets, that is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 9. So let's find the LCM of 4 and 9. 4, 9. So starting with 2, 2 2s are 4 and then bring down 9. Then continue with 2, 1 and again bring down 9. Again 3, 1, 3 3s are 9, 3, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM here? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 into 9 is 36. So the LCM is 36 and we're going to use that as the common denominator here. LCM is 36. Now 4 9s are 36, so multiply 3 by 9. 3 9s are 27 minus Go to the next denominator, 9. 9 fours are 36. So 2 fours are 8. So let's write 8 here. Now 27 minus 8 is 19. So that is 19 by 36. So let's write down 19 by 36 here. 19 by 36. So now let's do this division. So the first fraction remains the same, 7 by 6. Division changes to multiplication, reciprocal now, 36 by 19. Now what is it that we can cancel here? We can cancel 6 and 36. 6 ones are 6 and 6 sixes are 36. Is there anything else that we can cancel? That's it. So let's multiply the numerator 7 into 6. So 7 sixes are 42, and let's multiply the denominators 1 into 19, which is 19. So here we have 42 by 19, which is an improper fraction. We'll convert it to a mixed number. So let's divide 42 by 19. 19 twos are 38 minus 12 minus 8 is 4. So what do we have here? We have 2, 4 by 19. So let's write that down here. 2, 4 by 19, and this is our final answer to question 7. 2, 4 by 19. Question 8. So let's see what we have here. So 6 by 5 off, and then we have brackets, division, brackets. According to Bodmer's, we have to do brackets first, and then off, and then division. So we can start with this set of brackets. So let's write everything else as it is. So here we have 6 by 5, off is into. Now let's work out 3 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 2. So 3 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 2. Let's convert this. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 minus, here let's convert, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 5 by 2. Now here we have to find the LCM of 3 and 2. Now 3 and 2 are both prime numbers, and the LCM of the prime numbers are the product of those two numbers. That means we just multiply 3 into 2 and we get 6. So the LCM is 6. So let's write 6 as the common denominator. Now 3 2s are 6. So let's multiply 10 by 2. 10 2s are 20 minus 2 into 3 is 6. So 5 3s are 15. 20 minus 15 we have here. 20 minus 15 is 5. So we have 5 by 6. So let's write that down here. So this becomes 5 by 6 divided by, now let's work out 2 5 by 21 minus 2. So 2 5 by 21 minus 2. Now let's multiply this. 21 into 2 is 42 plus 5. That will be 47. 47 by 21 minus 2 by 1. So the LCM will be 21 itself here. So let's go to the first fraction, 21. 21 into 1, so 47 into 1. 47 into 1 is 47 minus, now 1 into 21. That means 2 into 21. 21 into 2 is 42. So 47 minus 42 by 21. 47 minus 42 is 5, and the denominator is 21. So that will be 5 by 21. Now here we have two operations. We have off and division. According to Bodmer's, we must do off first. So that means we have to work out this portion first. So let's do that. So that will be 6 by 5. Off means into 5 by 6. So now it's become multiplication. Let's multiply and cancel whatever we can. So I can cancel 6 and 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. I can cancel 5 and 5 also by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. In the numerator I have 1 into 1, which is 1. In the denominator I have 1 into 1, which is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So let's write that there. So this will be 1 divided by 5 by 21. So 1 means 1 by 1. So let's do this division. 1 by 1. Division changes to multiplication. 5 by 21 will now become 21 by 5. So let's multiply the numerators. 1 into 21, 21. Denominators 1 into 5 is 5. Now we need to convert 21 by 5 into a mixed number. So divide 21 by 5. 5 fours are 20 minus 1. So what do we have here? 4, 1 by 5. So our final answer here is 4, 1 by 5. Question 9. Now what do we have here? We have 10, 1 by 8 of 4 by 5 divided by 35 by 36 of 20 by 49. So we don't have brackets here. So in BODMAS, the first letter is removed. Brackets is not there. Then the next letter is O, which stands for off. That means we have to do off here and off here and then go to division. So we need to work out this first. So let's work that out here on the working column. So we have 10, 1 by 8. Off means into 4 by 5. Now here we have to convert this. 8 into 10 is 80 plus 1 is 81. So this becomes 81 by 8 into 4 by 5. So here we can cancel 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Let's multiply the numerators. 81 into 1 is 81 and the denominators 2 into 5 is 10. So here we have 81 by 10. So let's write that 81 by 10 divided by, now we have the next set of numbers that we have to work out with off. So let's write that 35 by 36. Off means into 20 by 49. Now what can we cancel? I can cancel 36 and 20. Both are there in the tables of 4. So 4 9s are 36 and 4 5s are 20. I can also cancel 35 and 49. Both these numbers are there in the tables of 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 7s are 49. Now there's nothing that we can cancel, so we multiply the numerators. 5 5s are 25 and the denominators 9 into 7. 9 7s are 63. So what do we have here? 25 by 63. So let's write that 25 by 63. So let's begin this division. So this is 81 by 10. Division changes to multiplication and we write 63 by 25. Now, is there anything that we can cancel? There's nothing to cancel. So we're going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So the numerator is 81 into 63. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 8s are 48. Now we add up these. So 3, 4 plus 6 is 10, carry 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5,103. 5,103, and in the denominator we have 10 into 25, that is 250. Now this is an improper fraction, so let's divide 5,103 by 250. Okay, so now we need to get a number close to 510. Now 250 into 2 will give us 500 minus 0, 1 and 3. As you can see, 103 is smaller than 250. So we just have to put a 0 there, minus, we get 103 minus 0 is 103. So now we have to make our mixed number out of this. Our quotient is 20, which is going to become the whole number. Denominator is 103 and our numerator is 103 and denominator is 250. So what is our final answer? 20, 103 by 250. Question 10. Now what are all the operations that we have here? We have subtraction, multiplication, addition, division. So all those other than brackets and off. So BODMAS, the last 4 letters that is DMAS. According to this, division has to be done first, so that is division here. So let's write everything else as it is after converting. 4 5s are 20 plus 3 is 23. So this is 23 by 4 minus 3 by 7 into, now here let's convert, 4 into 15 is 60 plus 3 is 63. 63 by 4 plus, now let's work out what has been underlined. So that is 2 by 35 divided by 111 by 25. So let's multiply and convert. 35 into 2 is 70 plus 2 is 72. So this becomes 72 by 35 divided by, let's convert there, 25 into 1 is 25 plus 11 is 36. So 36 by 25. So let's do this division. 72 by 35 into, now write the reciprocal, 25 by 36. Let's cancel what we can. 36 into 1 is 36 and 36 into 2 is 72. We can also cancel 35 and 25 by 5. 5 7s are 35 and 5 5s are 25. Now let's multiply the numerators. 2 5s are 10. Denominators 7 1s are 7. So we get 10 by 7 here. So plus 10 by 7. So we finished division. So look at BODMAS here. Now DMAS here. D is over. Now we have to do multiplication. And where is multiplication? It is here. So let's write 23 by 4 minus. Now let's work out this multiplication. That is 3 by 7 into 63 by 4. We can cancel 7 and 63. 7 1s are 7 and 7 9s are 63. So here we can multiply the numerators. 9 into 3 is 27 and denominators 1 into 4 is 4. So let's write that. So that is 27 by 4. Then we write the rest of it plus 10 by 7. So now we only have subtraction and addition, and let's do addition first. So if we have to do addition, we have to add up the numbers with a plus sign. It is this and this. So let's work that out in the working column. So that will be 23 by 4 plus 10 by 7. Let's find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 7. 2 2s are 4, bring down 7. Then continue with 2 again. 2 1s are 2, bring down 7. 7 1s are 7, so write 1 here. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So the LCM is 28. So let's use that here. LCM is 28. Now 4 into 7 is 28. So we have to multiply 23 into 7. So 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21, carry 2. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So that is 161 plus 7 into 4 is 28. So multiply 10 also by 4. 10 4s are 40. So 161 plus 40. So let's add that up and see what we get. 161 plus 40. 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what do we have here? 201 by 28. So let's write that here. So that will be 201 by 28. Now we have to do the subtraction. Minus 27 by 4. So here we have two denominators which are unlike. We have to make them equal. So let's find the LCM of 28 and 4. Let's begin with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 14 is 28. 2 2s are 4. Continue with 2 again. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. Now we can use 7. 7 1s are 7. So what is the LCM? The LCM is 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. So we can use 28 here. So let's begin. Now this is 28, which is a common denominator. Now the first fraction's denominator is 28. So 28 into 1. Similarly, 201 into 1 will be 201 minus 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. So multiply 27 into 7. So 27 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, carry 4. 7 twos are 14 plus 4 is 18. 189. So here what do we have? 201 minus 189. So 201 minus 189. Now we need to borrow. So this is 1. This becomes 10 and 9, 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1, 0. So that is 12. So here what do we have? 12 by 28. Now 12 and 28 are both in the tables of 4. So we can reduce it to the lowest term by dividing both by 4. So now let's see what we get. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 7s are 28. So we get 3 by 7. So our final answer here is 3 by 7. Question 11. So here what do we have? We have off and then we have subtraction and division. So first off, then division and then subtraction. So first let's work out off. So let's do that in the working column. 3 by 4 off means into 7 3 by 7. So this is 3 by 4 into, now let's convert this. 7 sevens are 49 plus 3. 49, 50, 51, 52. So what do we have? 52 by 7. Now what can we cancel? We can cancel 4 and 52. So 4 ones are 4. We can divide 52 by 4 and see what we get. Short division. 4 ones are 4. What's remaining? 1. 12. 4 threes are 12. That means 4 into 13 is 52. Is there anything else that we can cancel? That's it. We can't cancel anything else. So let's multiply the numerators. 13 into 3 is 39 and the denominators 1 into 7 is 7. So we get 39 by 7. Let's write that here. 39 by 7 minus, let's convert. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 28 by 5 divided by, now here also let's convert. 15 into 3 is 45 plus 4 is 49. So 49 by 15. So now we have subtraction and division. We need to do division now. So let's do division. So 28 by 5 divided by 49 by 15. This will be 28 by 5. Division changes to multiplication and this becomes 15 by 49. Let's cancel 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 and 28 and 49 by 7. 7 fours are 28 and 7 sevens are 49. Nothing else to be cancelled, so let's multiply the numerators. 4 threes are 12 and in the denominator 1 into 7 is 7. So here we get 12 by 7. So this is 39 by 7 minus 12 by 7. Now this is easy because they are like denominators, so our denominator will remain as 7. We just have to do 39 minus 12. So let's minus 39 and 12. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So here we get 27 by 7, which is an improper fraction. Let's convert it. 27 by 7. So get a number close to 27. 7 threes are 21. Minus 7 minus 1 is 6. 0. So what do we get? We get 3 6 by 7, which is our answer. So the final answer to question 11 is 3 6 by 7. With this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.